We're told a pizza place makes 7 pizzas. Each pizza is cut into 8 slices. How many slices of pizza are there in total? Pause this video and try to figure that out. All right, now let's work through this together. So let's just imagine each of those pizzas, and each of them are going to cut into 8 slices, and we have 7 of them. So we could think about it like this. So if you could imagine each circle here is one of those pizzas, and each of those pizzas are split into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 slices. So 8 slices, and there's 7 of those pizzas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if you want to know the total number of slices, you're essentially going to add these 7 eighths together. Well, adding 7 eighths is the same thing as multiplying 8 by 7, or 7 by 8. Now, another way to think about it is you could think about each of those pizzas generating 7 slices, or actually each of those pizzas generating 8 slices. That is kind of 8 slices, and there's 7 pizzas. This is the first pizza, gets these 8 slices, second pizza, these 8 slices, all the way to the 7th pizza. Now, how many total slices there are? Well, again, we see we have 7 rows of 8, so we would just add all of these 8s together, which is, again, the same thing as 7 times 8, or 8 times 7, which, if you were to add them all up, or you might already know, is equal to 56.